just need a short break. We're going to get back into it. We were previously working on taking the joystick and getting the left joystick here, taking those coordinates and mapping them to the angle that we want it to be able to drive and the speed that we want those motors to drive. So this is for translation, movement, like in this direction. We'll be working on rotation next, but first we have to test our work and make sure that all the translation movements are working correctly.
You want to run the script and just make sure that at least compiles or interprets.
We'll do this. Perfect. So if I go up, we have up fully is speed is roughly 1. You should probably clamp that. The angle, there's 0. There. So this is perfect.
Oh, and we need to multiply speed by 100.
Yeah. So we can multiply speed by 100, and we have to clamp it a little bit. I don't know why it goes slightly over.
What's the math to get speed? Math is
math. Oh, it's distance between 2 points. So this one here.
yeah, distance between 2 points. So why would that? How could that get greater than 1?
I don't know. It might. Yeah, I don't know.
It's a rounding issue or something.
Difference between Q, P, 0, yeah. I don't know.
Interesting. Anyway, yeah, just set it to max 1 if you.
Yeah, like that. Okay. But yeah, overall, so this is sitting at.
Yeah, I'm just gonna quickly test our chat.
All right, so I think it is looking pretty good. Chat's looking good. Right. Let's turn it on so it actually will control the motors. And we're gonna sit that down. How are you powering it right now?
Powered from here. Oh, we're gonna lose it in a second. You ready? We're gonna lose it either way. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I am playing hockey tonight. Very exciting.
Oh, good.
11 o'clock. Late game, but it's fine.
Okay, we'll be late probably here working away.
Yeah, it ends up working pretty well.
Right. So now it's going to be powered solely off the battery for the motors and the Raspberry Pi. We'll have to reconnect. And now we can drive it wirelessly. You know what's weird about this? If we don't have rotation, we could drive anywhere, but it will not necessarily be pointing forward.
That's correct.
Yeah, so it's going to look pretty odd.
It's going to look cool.
Yeah, it's going to look cool. Yeah, I like it. I like your optimism.
I like that it's wireless. I'm very excited about being
is
wireless.
sweet, yeah.
And I'm very excited to get this off the board.
Yeah. Yeah, that's next step. That's going to be good. Okay, just booting up.
We should 3D print an enclosure for all of this and just mount it.
That'd be really cool.
Yeah, make like a clip system so it just clips to the edge of the frame and just has like a case. I think that'd be neat.
That'd be very nice.
I think this will be a lot easier than that attempt at a boat hull.
Yeah, really though. Okay, are we good? Oh, I didn't multiply by 100 or clamp it.
You didn't do any of it. I'm just kidding.
No, not really. One sec. Did I clamp here? I might already clamp it. Wheel speed divided by, we normalize it times by speed, and we made it by 30 last time. So I'm just gonna times it by 30. Because that's what it was up here. Actually, I'll times it by 40, because then we get a little more juice.
Oh, you just want to max it at 40?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I just don't
You
want
can change it on the fly now because we're wireless. It can literally be driving and you can change
We'll just change it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm good to run the code whenever you are.
Good to run the code. It's very exciting. Let me just get the camera down. All right. The moment of truth.
I'm going to switch over So all I'm going to do next is just run this script, which you cannot see because it's too far down the page. So all I'm going to do is just run the script. So I'm just going to hide this so we can make the camera with the car bigger. Oh, can you make it? Okay, very good. All right, 3, 2, 1.
What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
Not a single thing. Is this in charge?
Yeah, it just I didn't turn it on.
Oh, okay.
Take
Right.
number 2.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, it's working.
All right. So if I go left, it goes backwards. If I go forward, it goes right. If I go right, it goes. If I go right, it goes straight. Does that mean we want to move it?
That means that we want to shift it by pi. Or pi over 2 again. Because it was supposed to be shifted by pi, I think.
Okay, 1 sec. Actually, let's just. So if I go. So this is going to be 0. That's turning right. So I want to go back 9 degrees. So yeah, we have to remove what we added here. So it was already the same, I think.
It was already correct. Did you fix it? Oh. Wow.
It's currently reversed. That's right, that's left, that's forward, and that's back. So it's slightly reversed. How can I fix that?
But by golly, it works. Wait. So forward, back.
So if I just switch our angle.
Switch X and Y. In the switch your leave joystick X, joystick Y. That should fix it.
Well, I think if I just take Y, just negate it, go opposite.
Sure.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Beautiful. Wow. So we just made a Bluetooth controller. Oh.
Uh-oh.
You broke it. I don't know.
I don't know what just happened. It just stopped doing it.
It's still trying to drive through me.
Oh, you know what? I think it's lagging. I think I'm printing too much.
It's lagging.
Okay, I'm no longer printing at all. Oh, it's so much more responsive. So what's happening is I was printing, and printing is a blocking command. Alright.
Holy shit.
Right here, Lucas, I want you to try it too.
Holy shit. It works.
It works, man.
Holy. Wow, that feels so weird. That feels so weird. Wow.
It's responsive. You want me to do,
Okay. Why does it do that?
Why is it? It's printing. Let me fix that again. Did it? Oh, it caught up. I think it's because it's printing and it buffers too much.
Oh, it was still printing?
Yeah, it got locked. So you see everyone was printing right here?
Oh, the camera's got a nice view of my back.
Yeah. What did I want to change? Oh, I wanted to open it up and give it higher, 40? Do you want to, higher?
Sure.
I'll
Yeah,
go
give
to-
it 70 or something.
I'll go 60, or I'll go 70.
Sure, it's fine. Either way. Do you want to hold it?
Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
Oh, she's zippy. Look at it go.
This without rotation. Oh my god, I almost feel like you can shake off the Raspberry Pi.
Okay, we're gonna have to build like a suspension system. Wow.
So you can see it slightly rotating. It's drifting away as well.
Just because the wheels don't have perfect grip.
Yeah.
Which is why we need that other. Once we get rotational control, that'll fix that problem.
Yeah. So we get rotation, we can fix it, and if we get something like an accelerometer or gyroscope, we can correct it automatically.
That makes sense. Wow, that feels so weird. Dang. Okay, that's cool. I'm done testing, but that's so much fun. I wish, actually, I wonder if we can get rumble feedback into this.
Yeah. What would you?
I don't know yet.
We could get that thing to rumble, but
It just feels like I'm missing something. I want this to rumble.
you can make it rumble. I'm sure.
If the car is rumbling, I want my hands to rumble too.
All right. So maybe
Don't need to worry about that.
sync it with speed. So if it's going fast, you rumble a little more.
I think that's neat.
That was a simple thing. I wonder, is rumbling localized left and right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Zoom.
Zoom, big.
This is only 70% max power. Do you want me to open it up?
Yeah, open it up.
I'm opening it up.
Let's do it.
All right, everyone.
Oh man, that's exciting. What a success. And it's cool. Yeah, Tetsu, it's pretty cool because since we're connected to it over Wi-Fi, we have the opportunity to do modify the code on the fly while it's still in drive mode. It's very exciting as well.
Yeah. So we're going to times by 100, and then we're going to make sure if speed is greater than 100, use 100, otherwise we speed, just so it doesn't get too high. And I think that's it. Oh, actually, a better way of doing this would just be using there. That's the equivalent statement. So a minimum number between 100 and speed. So if speed is greater than 100, we'll just use 100. And that's it. So now we can go here. All right, now this is going to be 100. It's maxed out. Be very careful.
Be careful.
All right, already? Let me get on here. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Everyone.
I take it back. It is fast.
Is that fast enough for you? Glavin was complaining that we weren't going to have enough speed out of this device. I think he was wrong.
It's so dorky. Also, it can carry. You said it can carry.
Oh, it's falling apart. Oh no. Alright.
That's sweet.
We're shaking it apart.
Yeah, it's literally too fast for itself. It's shaking it apart. That's incredible. What part of it? Can you come show us?
Yeah. Well, just one of the mounting bolts and nuts. It just shook off in mounting.
What?
Yeah. I'm not sure exactly from where.
You're show the camera. What are you looking at?
Well, I'm
I'm
trying
over here.
Yeah, so minor issue, but we lost a mounting nut, and I'm not sure exactly where it came from. Let's do our inspection. It's probably one of the motor mounts.
Oh my god, the whole thing just... Wait, right here?
What? What?
I think it's here.
What's
Careful.
Ooh, that's holding the motor. Nice.
Yeah, see, it's right here.
Yeah, both of them.
So right here it's meant to have it, and over here it does.
Alright.
So we actually shook the thing so hard, it's trying to dismount the motor. But we only have one of these. There's two of these. So
There's a hunt across the floor. Try and find it. We are missing one.
Are you sure we had the full 4 in the first place?
No, there's this. We had this, so.
I guess. So otherwise it would have fallen off earlier, right?
Oh, it's right here. I found it.
Perfect.
Awesome. Minor issue. Minor issue.
And this is at 0. This is dead zone, right? The script's not even off.
Oh, I turned off my. I unplugged it. There's no power.
Oh, that's why my computer's freaking out.
Yeah. Sorry.
All right,
I
great.
gotta warn you.
A little bit. Okay.
Oh man, that's exciting though. Okay.
Yeah, man. What a thrill.
Ooh. so I'm going
And
to.
everyone, if you go back in the stream, you can see exactly how we did this, and we'll eventually put the code online too. But definitely, let us know if you have any questions. Anyone should be able to do this, and we want to help others like ourselves learn to build cool stuff like this.
And once we're done the entire design build process, we're hoping to do like one final video recapping all of the design decisions and selection process. Basically, hopefully, let's say a 1 hour summary of everything that we tried to accomplish and all of the learnings and all the findings and how you can do all these things yourself.
Yeah.
I think that's the overarching objective, which is very exciting. That'll be the quote-unquote polished product. Hopefully it's at least semi-polished. We're not definitely not videographers yet, but we'll get there. All right. So I'll fix this up.
All right, while we're at it, we should probably start working on separating out each of the tires.
I will.
And then we could recreate the same thing, but
make sure that all the 8 PWMs work.
that was working, man.
That's great. Very excited.
Yeah, that I think it was a little better than expected too. It was very responsive. That's over Bluetooth. PlayStation 4 Bluetooth controller. Oh, Raspberry Pi. That was pretty good.
We're gonna have to give the wheels a little rinse so that the rubber gets grippy again.
Yeah. I can get a cloth or something.
That'd be a good
You
idea.
go work on that. You get that back up and running, and I'll
Sure.
have a way to clean it. We might even get our other robot in here to start cleaning the floors. But
Robots on robots.
robots and robots. Yeah, we could drive around here. Probably the main floor is the cleanest. But now we go anywhere wireless.
We're wireless, baby.
Once we get rotation, we'll drive around.
Yeah.
It works though.
Bolt. Where did I put that other screw? Where did I put the other screw? I had an interesting conversation yesterday with a friend of mine about synchronizing generators to a grid. We were talking about the difference between synchronizing a generator on a large grid versus synchronizing on a small grid. It was pretty interesting. It's a pretty neat conversation. I definitely like talking about power systems. Yeah. If you ever have any questions about power systems, I could talk your ear off. I'm sure of it. I somehow lost the screw. The second one. Oh no, I put it in. That's why. It just didn't bolt it on. Perfect. Is that damp?
Not yet, but I can get it if you're ready for it.
Not ready.
Sorry about that.
We can put that on and be right back.
Yeah.
Not ready. Not quite yet.
Okay, so once we get, if you want to move it,
I don't think I brought my, unfortunately I don't think I brought my Allen key for these.
oh,
Yeah. I'll figure something
I wonder if she might have one. All right, well, I think then maybe now is a good time for a break. What do you think? I go food break, find an Allen key, fix the car.
Food break, find an Allen key, do some minor repairs, yeah. Thanks for stopping in again, Tetsu. You just saw the most exciting part of our stream so far. That was huge. We didn't, or at least I didn't really expect it to work that well the first try. I expected some hiccups.
Well, I think the wheel almost falling off is a pretty significant hiccup, but I'm glad we were able to complete the test before it did.
Yeah.
That was pretty sick. Thanks very much. That was awesome. I can't wait for what's happening next. And once we get the rotation, we'll actually be able to drive it around the house.
It's gonna be sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is huge. I can't get at this.
All right. All right, we're gonna put it on pause, but we will definitely be back tonight.
Yeah. Shortly.
Probably
20 minutes, maybe?
Yeah, I'd say so.
20 minutes. You could, 20 minutes sounds good.
Let's say 20 minutes, somewhere around there.